Kini kalong ka khubor kabanga ko banai hakarukum jong kajing ai jimut hakibdei bat kijeki paidbah pyrshah ya ka Sorkar bat nga ko ban sedang da jingkitkhlieh bat ka jingkitkhlieh kalong bali ba ki jingïakhih ki bajai jai kilong ki bakhlain bat ki bala ban penpoy ni syakathong jung ko jingjok ka dawhi kalong bala ringi jet ban penong ye ki jingïakhih ki bala ban pynmih ye ki jingeh saw ki jingkulmar kanong ka kabu ka bakrau ye ka Sorkar ba kan kiar na ki jingkitkhlieh ka Sorkar kan gentleman chikadeye bala ki jingïakhih ki kot no tang ki jingpynibor but on katat no ru ya ki mat ki badei bani kren ki badei bani kun ki bakaya Sorkar kan hapan juba hakaba ki briu ki kren no ye ki wipat ki benta kum ki jingeh ki jing shepting ki jing red sim ki jing penrem ki bami na kini ki jingkulmar ha ki jingïakhih ti kumta kanong ka babha shibon la ringi pentikina bagi jingïakhih ki bangi pelong pyrshah ka Sorkar kinum thau jingkulmar namar kanong rukalat ka kabu yikiriu shim kabu bakin pynmih jingkulmar knaban penput nam yaki bakhot yaki jingïakhih ngamla ru klem dai kublik kerpang yaki nongelam jong ka Khasi Students Union kiba kloy ban penpau kumba kila penpau haki kot khubor baki pedang ya ki jingkentho ki jingwodau ki jingwodong haki bedei bat kani ka jingja kablami hakani ka sing ka bakila penong ya ki jingïakhih wat lada ke la penshai na du sing baningkong ba ka jingïakhih jengki kanong ka bajai jai nga penrem juru ya ki briu ki bashim kabu ban pynmih jingkulmar hakani ka jingïakhih but ka dawhi ka bapelong bakini ka jingkulmar kan mi ka namar ba ka Sorkar kala bakla bat kamshim na penbiang iki bor pahara ki babiang wat hadin bakil tip bagandon kani ka jingïakhih lara ka Sorkar kan jin la penbiang iki bor pahara kinong shim kabu kinami ola ban pynmih iki jingkulmar akajuk apon nga penrem jur yaki seng kali kamai ki bana asam ki bala pelong ye ka jingïakhih pyrshah ye ki jingja but bakata ka jingïakhih ki jingki kalong penban kum ki jingpynibor ka bamia hap dor bat ka i ka belaja hakani kanong ba ka jongi kini kalong ka khubor ka bang kwa banai hakani ka por ka bamenta. This is Ardent, President of the Voice of the People Party. In this video, I would like to give a kind of an advisory statement as far as the movement and protest against the government is concerned. And I would like to begin with a question. And the question is, why non-violence form of agitation and demonstration is far more better than any other kind of agitations? The reason is that when we choose for a violent means of protest, we should remember that it will always benefit the government. The government will be very happy to see that every agitation turns violent. so that it will get the opportunity to hide behind the law and order situation. Real problems will be swept under the carpet, and people will no longer discuss about genuine demands that the government should address. They will instead discuss about problem arises out of the agitation, fear that grips the minds of the people, condemnations, so on and so forth. It will also give a chance to vested interest to create problem and thereby give a bad name to the organizer and the state as a whole. I would also like to appreciate the leadership of the Khasi Students' Union for their maturity when they clearly stated in the media that they are willing to accept criticisms in connection with what happened on their protest day, despite the fact that they had made a very clear announcement that their rally protest will be a peaceful one. And also at the same time, I would like to condemn the anti-social elements who took advantage of the situation and create trouble, leading to the breakdown of law and order in the state. Another point that I would like to mention is the failure of the government to provide adequate security and to beef up security on the protest day. And I would also like to condemn the Commercial Vehicle Association of Assam, who have reacted disproportionately to what happened in Meghalaya. Thank you.